Hey everyone, today we are going to see how to generate a footprint using the footprint wizard. We'll use the USB to serial chip CH340N as an example. First, click New Footprint. Go to LCSC mode, find the CH340N and open its datasheet. From the datasheet, we can see it's a standard SOP8 SMD package. Here, enter the footprint named as SOP8, then select Manage Categories. First level category, Communication IC. Second level category, SOP. This makes it easier to manage your footprints. Click Apply, Confirm. Then select the category you just created and click Confirm again. Finally, click Save to enter the footprint editor. For this common type of footprint, we can use the wizard. Select SOP and change the pin count to 8. Next, let's check the datasheet for size info. The datasheet doesn't give extra numbers, so we search online for the standard SOP8 dimensions and fill them in. Lead span, body length, body width, lead length, lead width, lead pitch. The first pin position and the footprint origin, just leave them at default. Once all the values are set, click Generate Footprint. The system will automatically create the footprint based on these parameters. After that, press Ctrl S to save quickly. In the library panel, go to Personal Footprints, Communication IC. Then you'll see the SOP8 footprint we just created.